By Pearl, macho order.
Sige, iskat dito.
Ay, kiat lang ay. Macho, kipa yung na order. Atibay. Atibay, Pearl. No, you stay here.
Oh,
You have work to do. Okay, you have work to do.
Okay. Macho, stop! Ah. Macho, order Atibay Pearl. Okay?
Oh, kipa yung na order here. Kipa yung na order. It's like, what?
No, ma. Stop video. Stop video, ma.
Stop videoing, mama. What's the use of your hand? My hand. It's like, what's the use of your hand? Ay, macho, keep pa yung na-order. You have work to do.
Go.
Ate, buy the pearl. Okay, macho, stay home. Ate, go out and buy.
Atibay Pearl and onion. Macho, order. Where are you going?
Dad? Get the money pala, Ray. Yung, binigay mo na ba dito mo?
Oh.
Ay, macho, it's like, oh, my daddy is leaving. My daddy is buying too. He can feel it. His dad is going out. See, I told you. He can feel that. Grabe talagang feeling ng ano. Feeling ng iro, no?
Ganyan.
Get out of my way,
Ah,
you
ganito
twat.
rin siya na mo.
Instinct. Instinct nila sa loob.
Oh.
Pakiramdam
Stop it.
nila.
Dick.
See, can feel it. Daddy is going out, so I'll go with Dad.
Kasi ito na, magpalit ng pearl. Magpalit na ko onion.
Ha?
Magpalit na ko onion.
May onion tayo.
Sige, lang naman ako kayo na dito. Sa... sa beef. Pa.
Ha?
Biloto na ako kayo na sa corn beef.
Ah, okay.
What?
What?
No, we need to buy onion and cucumber and tomato.
So I can't hear you over all this noise.
Hoy!